Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to compare the CPU clock speed utilization comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus POCO F3 GT device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to compare between these both phones. Let's see what kind of utilization will be there regarding the CPU clock speeds. So is it kind of overclocked or underclocked, and with using high performance mode and without using high performance mode, all these details we'll try to check in this video. So right now friends, this is the application which I'm trying to use during this process of demonstration, and you'll be able to find exactly the clock speeds, what's going on between these two phones. As you can see, let me slightly increase the brightness. So right now you should be able to see in the ideal state. So there is no running application in the background RAM management, only one application is there at this moment. So this is what the situation is regarding the clock speeds. In the ideal state I'm trying to show you, which will maintain really cool temperatures and very low clock speeds when it's not utilizing. So both phones with the same Dimensity 1200 chipset you can see, but the Realme UI optimization and the Miui optimization, what's going on. And CPU percentage overall 21% and overall 21%. Without using any kind of high performance mode. But suddenly in the POCO F3 GT randomly it's increasing the CPU clock speeds. Even there is no SIM card, there is no Wi-Fi, nothing at all. I just thought of showing you this kind of side-by-side comparison. So slightly kind of POCO F3 GT is utilizing little bit kind of more in the random. As you can see, randomly it's detecting higher spikes. So big spikes are there in the POCO F3 GT random. As you can see, again I'm not touching the screen, but still random spikes are happening, as you can see. But right now let me try to select the high performance mode. So usually this last main core, which is the prime core, it will not increase usually 100%. Unless it is necessary, it will not increase, but randomly it's increasing. That's kind of weird. But Realme X1 Max was completely stable, as you can see, even with the ideal state. Now let's do one more thing. Let's go to the settings option and enable the high performance mode, and let's see what happens if you try to enable high performance mode. What will be the clock speeds? Will there be any kind of change in the clock speeds or not? That's what I'm going to check in this video. Right now with the high performance mode, I'm trying to use between these both phones. And in the Realme X1 Max, you can see it's 100% utilization. 100%. It's not decreasing. Not at all. If you try to use the high performance mode, it will remain always 100%. But in the POCO F3 GT, it's not like that. Even with the high performance mode turned on, all the cores are completely kind of low, and they are not utilizing up to higher. As you can clearly see, friends, what's going on. And when you are trying to use the phone, then they'll try to utilize. Now they are actually utilizing, as you can see. But in the Realme X1 Max, the performance will be instant, like as you can see, instant, because the phone is staying always at 100%, always. That's the reason why after the Realme UI 3.0 we are seeing slightly higher benchmark scores and higher performance in the Realme X1 Max. After 3.0 update only, this kind of graph has been possible, because before the 3.0 update in the Realme UI 2.0, the graph used to be only the, I think 4 cores used to be 100%, rest of the 4 cores used to be a little bit less. But after the recent Realme UI 3.0 update, everything is staying exactly 100%. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick comparison between these both phones. Because of this reason, the temperatures will definitely increase higher, because all the cores are staying at high level, 100%. But in the POCO F3 GT, the temperature you can see 29 degrees only. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video unless stay for more updates. And this is a kind of slightly overclocked, and this is a kind of slightly kind of underclocked, but still it is really utilized when actually requires. Realme X1 Max, it's always on in high mode only. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching, and stay tuned. Bye.